You know those super polished, high-energy K-pop music videos? The ones that look like they cost a fortune to make? Well, what if I told you that you could create something just like that, without a massive budget or a whole production crew? It's all possible thanks to AI, and today we're going to break down exactly how it's done. So, what's the big secret, right? Is it about knowing a dozen different, super complicated tools and trying to stitch them all together? Is it some kind of hidden industry trick? Nope, not at all. It's actually way simpler than you'd think. The real key is having one powerful, integrated AI platform. Something that acts as your entire production studio, from the very first beat of the music all the way to that final video export. Okay, let's dive right in. The tool that makes this all happen is called SJIN Agent AI. Seriously, think of this thing as your director, your songwriter, and your animator all rolled into one. It's built from the ground up to generate everything you need: the video, the images, the audio, all from simple text prompts, all in one place.
Now, the first thing you got to understand about SJIN is that it gives you choices. It's designed to work for you, whether you're just messing around for the first time or you're a total pro who needs to control every single pixel. And here's how it does that. You've got two main workflows: agent mode and tool mode. Agent mode is kind of like having a chat with a creative assistant. You just describe what you want in plain English. Tool mode, on the other hand, that's where you get your hands dirty. It gives you a full suite of individual tools for total, scene-by-scene custom control.
So, let's start building our video. And we're going to begin with the heart of any music video, the music itself, and of course, the visual world that our music is going to live in. In agent mode, making a track is it's incredibly easy. You literally just tell the AI what you're looking for. You want an upbeat K-pop track with a really heavy synth chorus? Just type that in. The AI generates completely original music for you. And hey, if you don't love it, you just ask it to try again. It's that simple. All right, we've got our music, it's ready to go. Now it's time to build the visual world. We've got to create our singer, our star, and the scenes for the video. And for this level of detail, we're going to switch over from that simple agent mode to the much more powerful tool mode. This is where we get precise control. So, inside SJIN's tool mode, you get access to a bunch of different image models. But for this workflow, we are using one called Google Nano Banana Pro. This thing is an absolute beast for generating incredibly detailed characters and backgrounds from just a text description and even a reference image. And you're not locked into just their system, which is awesome. If you've already created the perfect virtual idol or character using other popular AI image generators, like ChatGPT Image, Nano Banana, or Grok, you can just import that image right into your SJIN workflow. It's super flexible. Okay, so we've got our static scenes and our character. They look amazing. The next step is to breathe some life into them. We need to turn those still images into actual moving video clips. And the engine for all this magic is a model called Kling 2.6. This is the AI video model living inside SJIN that takes your generated scene, reads your prompt about how you want it to move, and then creates a short video clip from it. It's incredible to watch. And this is where we add another layer of realism. You can take your animated character, upload a little piece of your song, and the video lip sync model will analyze the audio and make your character's mouth move in perfect sync with the lyrics. It's an absolutely essential touch for a believable performance. Putting together workflows like this, connecting all these different AI models for music and visuals and animation, it's a seriously powerful skill. And if you want to go deeper and really master these kinds of advanced techniques, we have an online community where we do exactly that. It's a place where we all learn together with both group and one-on-one instruction to get ahead with these amazing tools. All the details are in the description below. Now, let's get back to the workflow. All right, we've got music, we've got animated scenes, we've got lip syncing. Now we get to what I honestly think is the most impressive part of this entire process: creating truly realistic dance sequences.
Yeah, this isn't just some generic AI-generated animation. We're talking about motion control, the ability to take the exact movements from a real-life dancer and transfer them directly onto your AI character. It's wild.
So that same Kling 2.6 model has this advanced feature called motion control. You can literally find a video of a professional dancer doing some mind-blowing choreography and use that video as a reference to drive the animation of your virtual idol. And the process itself sounds super complex, but it's surprisingly simple. You just upload your character's image, you upload the reference dance video, and then you just let the AI do its thing. It analyzes all the motion in the video and applies it directly to your character. The result is just this incredibly fluid and realistic movement. Okay, we have now generated all of our building blocks. We've got the music, we've got the lip-synced singing scenes, and we've got those awesome motion-controlled dance sequences. The very final step is to put it all together into one cohesive music video.
For this part, you can use any standard video editor that you're comfortable with. Something like CapCut is perfect for this. This is where all that AI-generated content meets traditional creative editing. You just import all the clips you made in SJIN, you arrange them on your timeline to match the music, add some cool transitions and effects to make it all pop, and then you export your final masterpiece.
So let's just take a step back and look at what this really means. We have just walked through a complete professional-grade production workflow from beginning to end. What once required an entire team of songwriters, directors, animators, and editors can now be done by a single person with a creative idea and a web browser. That is the real power of an integrated AI agent like SJIN. It's completely democratizing creation. This technology puts a full-blown production studio right at your fingertips. The tools are here and the workflow is clear. And hey, if you want to explore the answers to that question with a whole group of creative people who are also pushing the boundaries of AI, remember to check out our community in the description below. It really is the perfect place to start. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to tell? What will you create?